Biglang, yung lolo niya, biglang lumalabas. Sandali lang apo, mag-iingat ka. Hindi mo kaya mga kalaban natin. Biglang dumating yung mga monster. Manda kayo, itong bagay sa inyo.
Pocholo Gonzalez has been a voice talent for cartoons and radio plays for 11 years now. As a kid, he would always imitate other people's voices. Little did he know that his penchant for vocal mimicry would later lead him to his present career. Pocholo now has his own company, Creative Voices.
This is an art form na hindi napapansin for a longest time. Panahon pa na mga, anong tawag dito, yung mga Greek, ginagawa na yung voice-over. Di ba sa teatro may nagbo-voice-over? Hanggang sa dumating ang radyo, mga radio drama. Nakakalungkot lang, hindi sila nakilala. At ngayon, yun ang ginagawa ng company ko.
With the popularity of foreign cartoons, particularly anime, a number of local voice talents are finding themselves swamped with offers to dub these programs into Tagalog.
Huwag kang mag-alala, Ryoma. Makakarating sa kanya to.
The election season also opens up many opportunities for them.
Tuluyan na ngang binasura ng Commission on Election ang Certificate of Candidacy ng party list para sa mga miyembro ng third sex o mga bading.
And of course, radio dramas are still very much around.
Kasama natin ngayon ang isang lalaki sa unang pagkakataon magpapapako sa krus. Anong pangalan mo?
Manny po, Manny Paco po.
Kung wala talaga sa puso mo yung ginagawa mo and you're just thinking na trabaho lang to, maging bread and butter mo, kalimutan mo na yun. Para yung artist di ba? Kahit hindi bumenta yung painting niya, magpe-paint pa rin yan. Kasi yun ang kanyang expression ng kanyang art.
The work of these voice talents would seem easy, but as one aspirant has experienced, that may not necessarily be true. Although it really is a lot of fun.
Ano ba? Kaya ng remedyohan ngayon ng ganyan mga problema, no? May picture ka ba ng pinsan mo?
O eto, may picture siya sa pitaka ko. Huwag mong pintasan ha.
Oo.
Mapapansin mo dyan na may split end siya. May eye bags, warts at wrinkles. Pero talented yan. Tsaka sabi mo nga, mareremedyohan naman ngayon yan.
Ito ba ang pinsan mo? Akala ko makeover. Overhaul pa lang kailangan dyan.
Ang kulit mo eh.
Okay. Galing.
Thank you.
Mr. Fu, I Watch News.
So that's what Mr. Fu looks like.
Yeah.
I've never actually seen him.
So cool. I mean, who knew he was a voice actor too?
True. I always wanted, just before I leave this earth,
Okay.
I'd like to be the voice of a cartoon character.
What cartoon character would that be? Anyone in particular?
Something
An
fun.
animal?
No, something light and fun, like the genie from Aladdin.